I am making the most delicious and actually very easy panettone French toast. I'm making this for a New Year's Day celebration, a brunch. If you've never had panettone, it looks like this. It's this beautiful Italian loaf that you find around the holidays in a lot of stores. And it comes either with dried fruits in it. This one happens to have chocolate in it, but so amazingly dense and delicious, eggy, sweet, buttery. It kind of looks like this. It's like brioche times 10. So delicious. But the French toast, super, super easy. And we're gonna start it with some, I'm gonna make mine dairy free, you don't have to do that, but this is some almond milk. I'm just gonna put it into a bowl because I'm going to create kind of a dredge, a little bit of a milk dredge for my French toast, panettone French toast. Full of eggs. Then I need to add in some vanilla. This is gonna be really uber flavorful, but I'm also, because the panettone is so flavorful, but I'm also going to amp it up with what I have in this milk. Little cinnamon, and then this is an optional ingredient. You don't have to do this. This is a Bailey's, kind of like an Irish cream liqueur, kind of like a quarter cup of that. So this is an almond milk version, so it's dairy free. And then I just want to beat this up really well to incorporate the eggs. Now I've had a griddle heating up. I like to do this on a griddle because you can do a couple of these huge slices of panettone at once, and it makes it pretty easy. You don't need to soak this very long because this panettone will soak up this egg mixture right away. So I'm just going to do quickly on one side and then on another, let the excess drip off, and then right onto the griddle it goes. You can do this in a skillet. I'm just using a griddle because I could fit 2 or 3 big slices onto this griddle, and then you're just going to let them cook and get golden. Then we're going to flip it and let it get golden on the other side. Okay, now these are ready to flip, and then I'm going to show you my secret trick to get them nice and beautifully sugary crusty, which is what I love in French toast. I'm just going to put on some cane sugar on the side that I've already toasted because I'm going to give it a last little flip, and you can do it this way, or if you're really handy, you can also do it with a brulee torch. But I love doing this to French toast because you get that extra sugary layer, which I find so wonderful. I don't even use maple syrup on these. I just go with this, a little powdered sugar, some gorgeous berries. Absolutely wonderful. And we're gonna let it cook on this side, and then I'm gonna flip it over and get the second side all caramelized. It's gonna be really good. Now we're ready to flip it and cook it on the sugared side so it'll get nice and caramelized. The kitchen smells amazing, by the way. When you begin to smell that sugar burning a little bit, you know that the caramelization has occurred. Just gonna give it one last flip, and then I'm going to remove it to the board to slice and serve. This looks so good. All right, I think a couple slices and then a good dusting of powdered sugar because French toast, even panettone French toast, deserves that. And then I have some fresh berries here that look